Apple's iPhones are pretty resistant devices. All the same, a lot of us prefer to take no chances and keep them in a case since they can still quite easily be scratched, grazed, or otherwise marred by contact with various objects and surfaces. But the Cupertino tech giant has just been granted a patent for a new kind of housing that sounds like it could change the situation. It describes an abrasion-resistant back panel that could be used on devices such as the iPhone, iPad, and MacBooks. See our pick of the best iPhone 14 deals for Apple's current phones. As is often the case, the latest Apple patent granted by the US Patent and Trademark Office initially doesn't appear to give a huge amount away. Naming Apple's Senior Director for Materials Engineering and Product Design, Chris Prest, as lead inventor, patent 11,678,445 is titled simply Spatial Composites. Upon closer examination, the patent outlines a technique for manufacturing durable housing for electronic devices that can withstand abrasions. The proposed spatial composite method involves placing abrasion-resistant components with interlocking structures in a mold cavity. These abrasion-resistant members could be made of metal or ceramic and would be harder than the moldable matrix substrate. They would be spaced between 10 and 100 microns apart, potentially with faceted surfaces and configured to reflect light at an angle. However, it is unclear what kind of texture or feel this would impart to the device. As depicted in Figure 2A of the patent, the back glass panel of an iPhone could feature spatial composites with embedded abrasion-resistant members. Figure 2C provides a cross-sectional view of a housing that includes example embedded abrasion-resistant members. Additionally, Figure 8 outlines an example process for producing the housing. Other illustrations within the patent documentation illustrate various shapes and configurations of the abrasion-resistant structure and substrate surface. Deciphering a company's intentions from patent applications can be challenging. This is often a deliberate tactic employed by companies to avoid tipping off competitors about their plans. However, companies may also file patents to prevent others from using their ideas, even if they have no intention of implementing them themselves. As an example, Apple has filed multiple patents for foldable iPhones, but it remains unclear whether they intend to pursue this technology in the near future. Indeed, in this particular case, the patent seems to have a specific use case in mind, developing a novel type of housing for electronic devices that can provide better protection against abrasion. The patent background acknowledges that the surfaces of portable electronic devices are often susceptible to damage from contact with different surfaces, and that current solutions have limitations. For instance, metal housing materials may be robust but can create unwanted electromagnetic shielding, while plastic is typically less scratch or abrasion resistant. Therefore, this new abrasion-resistant housing could potentially offer a viable solution to this issue. The immediate speculation is as to whether it's too late for this to make the iPhone 15, or if it may be a feature planned for the rumored iPhone Ultra, which has been rumored to have a titanium chassis. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.